Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling only the essentials: primary sources, a clear title, and any institutional logos. Once done, pick your page size, A4 or letter, and set 1/2-inch margins so printing is predictable. You should also select one high-contrast typeface and a legible size for the title. This makes scanning and display easier. Make sure to save a working copy and an export-ready file in PDF, because that preserves layout across devices and print shops. You now construct the visual hierarchy so viewers instantly grasp the subject. Start by placing the main title at the top using 36/48 point size, then add a subtitle beneath it. This directs the eye. Use a simple 3-column grid with 0.5-inch gutters to align text and images. That consistency speeds reading. Once your focal image is positioned, add a short caption and up to 2 accent colors to highlight key elements. This balances clarity with historical tone. You finish by exporting a print-ready PDF at 300 dpi with embedded fonts and the CMYK color profile so colors print accurately. Once exported, proofread every caption and date. Accuracy builds credibility. Then print a test page to check scale and margins. If elements shift, reduce image bleed or tighten gutters. If text reflows or font substitute, re-export with embedded fonts. That single troubleshooting step resolves most layout issues before final distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.